Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how you can register for First Bank online banking account. If you want to access your financial transactions, account histories and details, payments, fund transfers and many more from anywhere and anytime online, then registering for online banking could be the best decision. The process for registering is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. In order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop, then tap on it to open. On the search bar, search for frostbank.com. And once you land onto an interface like this, in order to register for online banking account on Frostbank, you need to go and tap onto the sign up option here. Now you will land onto an interface like this, which is the sign up page for Frostbank online banking account. So before you get started with the registration process, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You need to have your debit card number and a 6-digit PIN in order to register for online banking on Frostbank. So if you acquire all these documents, then in order to start the registration process, go to the debit card number text field and enter the debit card number. Then enter your 6-digit PIN in the text field here. Once done, go and tap on next. Then you will land onto another page, follow the prompts and you will have successfully registered for Frostbank online banking account. By the completion of the registration process, you will be provided with a username and a password to log into your account. So with all this information, I think you can sign up for Frostbank online banking account in no time. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.